Hey, what's up guys? Matt here with Fix Anything, Save Money. Today I'm just going to be showing you how to cut copper pipe. This is a 1/2 inch copper pipe that we have in the vise right now. And I just want to show you guys these two tools. And this will be the one that we're using. This is for smaller diameter pipe, and this is for your larger diameter pipe. And you can see in here, little blade right here, and then little wheels here. So again, this is super simple. Open this up, slide it over your pipe so that the wheels are directly over the middle of the pipe. It should be able to spin freely on those wheels. And then you just tighten it down and then slowly spin. Tighten it a little bit more. Spin. Tighten more. And as you're spinning, it's cutting it. And then you just keep repeating that process until it cuts through. And then there's a bunch of different types of ways to join these pipes back together that I'm going to be making videos on as well. So you just keep doing that. Keep twisting. And there you have it, broken off. And then what I like to do, take your wire brush here. This one's made by HDX. And just get out any of the burrs that are in the pipe. Because when you go to join it, you might not get a good seal depending on what you're doing, whether you're using shark bites or if you're going to be soldering it together or using a compression fitting. No matter what you do, you want to make sure you get all the burrs off it. There you go guys, that's how you cut a copper pipe. Thanks for watching.